Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add EA Sports FC26 to Steam. So let's say you got it from the Epic Games launcher, EA launcher, anything like that. And what you do, okay, you open up Steam. And then what I want you to do is come to the bottom left and you click here on Add a Game. Okay, click on Add a Game and then you need to select Add a non-Steam game. The first option right here, click on this and then it will browse through your computer for programs that were basically not installed using Steam, and you can find the software. You just select it and then you click on add selected program. Usually you'll find FC26, but if you don't find it, right, what you just need to go ahead and do, just toggle it. Let's say for example, then click on add selected program. But if you don't find it, you browse your computer, look for the exe file in the location, and then you can add that right here and it will work. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.